Hello naturals, welcome to my channel. My name is Dimma. In today's video we are going to be making a hair growth treatment for thicker, darker and longer hair. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. With this treatment you will say goodbye to breakage, dandruff, dryness. It also smooths and detangles hair. Grab some sticks of fresh rosemary leaves. I bought this from my local florist. Just in case you're wondering, I actually bought a full plant, if that makes sense. So for this recipe I will be using 3 sticks or stalks, whichever you like to call it. Rosemary strengthens hair follicles to produce fortified hair strands. The herb soothes conditions like scalp eczema and scalp psoriasis, nourishes hair follicles with hair growth nutrients, promotes thicker hair growth, makes your hair volumized and shiny. Like I told you earlier, I'm going to be making use of 3 stalks of the rosemary leaves. I'm going to toss that into my saucepan and then pour enough water to cover that up. I lit my stove, place that on the heat.
Here come from the west side.
I used medium heat for this process. Cover the pot, left that to simmer for 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. Now here is the trick. The more you boil rosemary leaves, the more potent it becomes. This is so different from other herbs we have used on this channel. Stand by this and keep boiling until 30 minutes mark. Also, open the pot from time to time to see what's going on. Most times the water can actually dry up and you wouldn't know, so you keep checking to see that the water is still there. After boiling for 30 minutes, here's my result. I brought down the pot and then left on a surface to cool down completely. So once you bring down the pot, allow to infuse for extra 15 minutes before you sieve. That equally helps with the potency of this treatment. So to sieve, I'm just going to use my strainer and a clear bowl to collect. Transfer and store your rosemary treatment in a hairspray bottle. It's easy and fun to apply it this way on your hair. It doesn't matter if you use a fine mist bottle or any spritzer bottle. Next, I'm going to be adding in few drops of eucalyptus essential oil. So I'm going to be adding 5 drops of eucalyptus essential oil into that and then shake that up to combine. You can skip this process or use any essential oil you have around you. It's perfectly okay. After you shampoo and condition your hair, pour or spritz this treatment slowly over your scalp and hair. Do not rinse off with water. The point is to let the solution stay on your hair and scalp until you next wash your hair. As you already know, I love to work in sections each time I'm applying any treatment to my hair. My hair is always in sections, especially after wash day. So I'm going to be spraying that section by section, using that to saturate my hair, starting from my scalp and then working my way towards the tip. I made sure I work that in to make sure the treatment penetrates my hair follicles, and then I gently worked my way towards the tips, and then afterwards I sealed in the moisture with this hair oil. This is actually an oil mix on one of my videos, which I'll be linking for you all to watch in the description box. That's if you're interested, by the way. So after that, I'll go ahead and twist that up. If you watch closely, you will see how moisturized and smooth my hair looks after applying the treatment. This treatment is the truth. I kid you not. So I'll keep going until I use that to saturate my hair. section by section, making sure this treatment gets to every nook and cranny of my hair, from the scalp to the tips, including the problem areas like my edges, naps, wherever, though I don't have problem with my edges. So I'm just saying, if you have problem with your edges, your naps, your bald spots, your thinning areas, wherever, make sure to use this treatment all over. For better results, you can spread this treatment every day on your hair, especially if you're on a protective style. You can use this to hydrate your hair every day, or if you don't have the time, you can use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week to moisturize your hair. This treatment can only be stored in the refrigerator for 5 days. After 5 days, please discard and make a fresh batch. Basically, there is no straight answer for this, but one thing is clear: you should use rosemary water regularly and consistently to see hair growth results. Some people keep spraying it on throughout the day or any time they feel like. However, I feel this is an easy way to catch a cold, since your scalp and hair will wet all the time. So use this 2 to 3 times a week if you don't want to catch a cold. I hope you've got a clue on how to make rosemary treatment for hair growth. Are you ready to try it out? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. That brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And most importantly, share this video with your friends. We really need to reach more audience. The more you share this video, the more we reach more audience. People really need to benefit from this video, and the more you share it, the more a lot of people get to know about this video. Thank you again for clicking to watch, and also to watch up to this point. Please stay safe out there, and I will see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables. Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?